Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear app cache and data on Honor 200 Lite. First, go to Settings, then scroll down to Apps, and now click on Apps. Choose an app of which you want to delete cache or data, for example AliExpress. Then click on Storage, and here you can clear data or clear cache. Let's clear cache and let's clear app data. This will permanently delete all of this app's data, including files, settings and accounts. So if you are sure you want to continue, just press on delete. And now the data has been cleared. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.